everyone, I'm going to tell you about the quote which is as follows. The real contest is between what you have done and what you are capable of doing. I repeat it once again. The real contest is between what you have done and what you are capable of doing. So I'll take the example of a student. For example, there is a student who never wants to study, only wants that nobody should talk about his studies. He just escapes from it as he never wanted to study, so he never got good marks. Just somehow passed the class and moved to another class. But one day, a new teacher came to his class and explained his studies in a very interesting way. So that impacted his mind, and from that day onwards, he got interested in his studies. Now, he really wanted to study. There was a huge impact on his mind. He got mentorship and started studying, which improved his performance in the class. He improved day by day when he got so much interested in his studies. He actually enjoyed learning all the subjects which were earlier burden on him. Now he happily started to learn things, got to know about different new things. Now after some time it became a passion for him. He actually wanted to learn more and more new things and enjoyed all the subjects to learn. So in this example, earlier the student was not knowing what he is capable of doing, but now studies and learning new things became passion for him. He enjoyed the process, which ultimately made him successful, so he was happy, and his family and mentors too, which ultimately led to human development.